So definite integration. As a part of this definite integration, we learned different properties, substitution method, and in the last class, few problems based on star property of definite integrals. And at the end of the last class, as eighth point, I mentioned you this particular formula, you may say standard problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Integral 0 to 2 pi by 2 log cos x dx is minus pi by 2 into log 2 to the base e. Okay, and I mentioned you different forms and different problems related to this standard problem. Okay, and now in this class I am going to start with this particular one. Integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan theta base e d theta. Again, to solve this problem we need to go with, as we mentioned, star property. Okay, yeah. First of all, let this problem as some I. We are going to find this value. Take it as I for some time. Okay. This integral value is I, and then you just replace theta by, as per the property which I mentioned you in previous class, we need to replace theta with a plus b minus theta. మనం d theta డిస్టర్బ్ చేయం, లిమిట్స్ డిస్టర్బ్ చేయం, జస్ట్ theta మాత్రం a plus b minus theta తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. And that a plus b minus theta is 0 plus pi by 4 minus theta. 0 plus pi by 4 minus theta is pi by 4 minus theta. With this particular replacement of theta, value of the integral won't change. Okay. So again we will write that I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta to the base e d theta. Is it okay? As we discussed, star property of definite integrals, if you replace x with a plus b minus x, then there is no change in its integral value. Right? Okay. And next try to simplify this. This is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan pi by 4 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. That means 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta d theta with base e. So you just simplify this. Now this one, which is I, is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of, see, you just simplify this. 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta gets cancelled, and that is 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta to the base e d theta. Now see, just have a look. I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. Using laws of logarithms, it can be written as integral 0 to pi by 4 log 2 to the base e minus logarithm of 1 plus tan theta base e of d theta. If you apply this integral for these two terms separately, so I is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 2 to the base e d theta minus integral 0 to pi by 4 this logarithm of 1 plus tan theta base e d theta is the given problem again, and this is I again. Send that I this side. 2i is equals to, since log 2 is a constant, into integral 0 to pi by 4 1 d theta, and integral of 1 with respect to theta is theta, and then replace upper limit and lower limit. So 2i is equals to log 2 to the base e into pi by 4 minus 0, because integral of 1 is theta, and then we need to substitute upper limit and then minus with lower limit. So send this to that side. I is equals to pi by 8 into logarithm of 2 to the base e. And then I, which is integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan theta to the base e d theta is pi by 8 into log 2 to the base e. That's the problem. Okay, you just try to memorize this one also along with the 8th point. Try to memorize this ninth one also as integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta as pi by 8 log 2. Just have a look. I will give you some more forms and changes related to this problem. Okay. దీన్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసేటువంటి ఇంకొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏ బిట్ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan theta base c d theta is pi by 8 log 2 to the base c. So in the same way, using trigonometric formula and along with our star property of definite integration, we can easily prove these two also as pi by 8 log 2 to the base c in the same way. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేసామో యాజ్ అలానే చేయొచ్చు. బట్ d బిట్ చేయాలంటే అది కూడా అంతే, a little bit different from the others because it involves with x without theta and these are involved with theta. So for suppose you just write b and c and I am going to discuss d now. So how to solve this d? Solving d or proving d is nothing but we need to find integral 0 to 1 logarithm of 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Then to find this integral value we need to use this particular first formula, and for that you just take x is equals to tan theta, and if x is equals to tan theta, what to say about dx and how to change the limits, everything we need to concentrate. If x is equals to tan theta, if you differentiate, dx is equals to secant square theta d theta, and dx divided by secant square theta is equals to d theta. Is it right? And now what is secant square theta? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So dx divided by 1 plus x square is equals to d theta. And then think about the limits. If theta is equals to 0, if theta is equals to 0, then you will get that x is again 0 because tan 0 is 0. See, these limits are for x and we need to find limits for theta, and that's why first you just take x as 0, from there identify theta as 0, and then this upper limit 1 is for x. So if x is equals to 1, what will be the upper limit in terms of theta, which is pi by 4 because tan pi by 4 is 1. Now you just try to convert the problem in terms of theta. So the given problem is equals to 0 to 1, limits will become 0 to pi by 4. Logarithm of 1 plus x is nothing but 1 plus tan theta into this dx by 1 plus x square is d theta. So d theta. Integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan theta d theta is nothing but by this first one pi by 8 log 2 to the base e. And then for all these problems our answer is pi by 8 log 2 to the base e. Not only for these problems, if you face any problem and then just try to convert the problem into any one of these forms, then your answer is pi by 8 log 2 to the base e. Okay, so మనం ఇక్కడ కొన్ని మెన్షన్ చేసుకున్నాం అంతే. సో ఏ ప్రాబ్లం అయినా సరే లిటిల్ బిట్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ తో ఈ ఫార్మ్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయగలిగితే our answer is this pi by 8 log 2 to the base e. Okay, have a look. That's 9th point. Okay.